everybody, welcome back to Pizzazz Studios. This is Lori. I have a tile down on my spinner that I'm about to paint, and I'm going to do my Fibonacci Swirl technique today, and I thought I'd record it for you. So this is my house paint. I'm just laying this down on top of the tile. I'm going to cover my entire tile. I have 6 colors as well as my black cell activator. First color I'm putting down is Payne's Gray by Liquitex Basics. The next color I'm going to use is Light Magenta by Artist Loft. The next color is from Color Art, and this is called Ginger Flower. The next color I have is Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. And now, I actually meant to put this one down before that, but that's okay. This one is one of those color shift paints by Folk Art, and this one is called Purple Flash. That's a pretty color. And then my last one I have is Evio's Iridescent Blue Green. Now my cell activator today is black, like I mentioned. I'm going to put that down now, and then I will blow this out. All right, that looks pretty. I'm going to let this sit just a moment, but I will zoom in and give us a close-up. We have some nice cells forming here. I think this is going to be really pretty once I do my swirl and spin this a bit. I hope everybody's doing very well. Thank you for joining me again on another video. I appreciate you being here with me. If you enjoy my videos, you find them helpful, please do hit the like button. That helps me out on YouTube. YouTube likes to see that you enjoy my videos and they like the interaction from you as well. And so do I. So if you'd like to leave me some comments, I love to hear from you. You can leave them down below in the comments section. Let me know if you have any questions as well. Okay, this looks really pretty. This would be a pretty tile all by itself, but I'm going to go ahead and now do my swirl. So here we go. And that's that. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, it came out very nicely. Oh, I like this a lot. This is pretty. The colors are very nice. All right, I like this. I'm going to tilt this just a little bit. I'm trying not to distort my swirl much. There's a lot of nice iridescence to it. It looks really nice. I love the way these colors blended together here. The purples and the pinks and that iridescent blue-green. Taking a little paint off my mat here and just adding it to this corner. There we go. Let's zoom in and give you a close-up. All right, let me bring my phone down a little bit closer for you. Okay, guys, so I have my phone down in my hand. Let's zoom in for a close-up for you. This came out really pretty. I love these colors. It has a lot of nice iridescence to it. Let's see if I can pick up some of this for you in the light. My center, and then it swirls outward. Thank you for joining me again for another video, and I will see you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye for now.